Good morning students. I welcome you to the science video session of standard 5. Come on students, let's do the evaluation for science question paper.
First Roman, choose the correct answer. See the option student. 3. Buffalo, Namakkal, vermicompost, honey. 2. Beeswax. I gave 5 questions, but the answer is 7. From this 7 answer, we have to choose only 5. First question. Dash is the best fertilizer. Answer is vermicompost. vermicompost. Vermicompost is the best fertilizer. Second question. Poultry farm is famous in Dash district in Tamil Nadu. So, poultry farm is famous in Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. Namakkal. 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 Third question. Dash produces more milk. Answer is buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo produces more milk. Fourth question. Dash is also called as liquid gold. Answer is honey. 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 Honey is also called as liquid gold. Fifth question. Dash types of honeybee are found in a colony. So, the answer is 3. THREE. 3 types of honeybee are found in a colony. What are they? Drones, queen bee and the worker bee. So, choose the correct answer. First question. Vermicompost is the best fertilizer. Second question. Poultry farm is famous in Namakkal district in Tamil Nadu. Third. Buffalo produces more milk. Fourth. Honey is also called liquid gold. Fifth. 3 types of honeybee are found in a colony. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question. Dash contains high amount of fiber. Answer is roughage. 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 Roughage contains high amount of fiber. Second question. Droppings of poultry birds are used as manure. 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 Third question. There are dash breeds of cattle in India. Answer is 26. Fourth. The queen is the largest member of the bee colony. Queen bee. QUEEN. Queen. Fifth question. Dash ranks 5th in poultry production in the world. India. 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 Roughage contains high amount of fiber. Droppings of poultry birds are used as manure. There are 26 breeds of cattle in India. The queen is the largest member of the bee colony. India ranks 5th in poultry production in the world. Third Roman, match the following. First one, Shruti. Shruti. Answer is buffalo. BUFFALO. Second one, layers. LAYERS. Layers means the chicken that lays egg. So answer is egg. 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 Third one, cattle. Answer is transportation. 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 Green revolution means production of food grains. Blue revolution, fish. Silver revolution, egg. Gold revolution, honey. Yellow revolution, oil seeds. Blue revolution. Blue revolution means production of fish. 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 Gold revolution. Gold revolution means production of honey. 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 So match the following. You have to match Shruti, buffalo, layers, egg, cattle, transportation, blue revolution, fish, gold revolution, honey. Fourth Roman, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. First question, Murrah is a buffalo breed. It is true. True, true. Second question, vermicompost can be used to clean sewage. It is true. True, true. Third, farming is done on a commercial scale. It is true. True, true. Fourth question, 1 million is equal to 5 lakh. It is false. False. The correct answer is 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Ten lakh. 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 Fifth question, there are 3 types of environment. It is false. 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 There are only 2 TWO2 types of environment. So Murrah is a buffalo breed. True. Vermicompost can be used to clean sewage. True. Farming is done on a commercial scale. True. 1 million is equal to 5 lakh. False. There are 3 types of environment is false. Students, in the 5th Roman, answer the following 6 questions are there. From this 6, you have to attend any 5. Each question carries 3 marks. Define vermicompost. Earthworms eat the organic waste and excrete it in the form of castings. This is known as vermicompost. Students, to prepare vermicompost, earthworm is needed. So this earthworm, it eat the organic waste and excrete it in the form of castings. This is known as vermicompost. Write a note on poultry farm. In poultry farms, avian species are reared and bred for the purpose of egg, meat or both. Students, in poultry farms, the chickens are reared to produce egg, meat or sometimes for both. What is farming? Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising livestock. It is a part of agriculture, but farming is more profitable than agriculture. What is known as apiculture? Rearing of honey bee for honey is known as apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. See this picture, students. You are seeing the honey bee. Rearing of honey bee for honey is known as apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. Mention the different types of manures. Animal manure, green manure and compost are the types of manures. Students, these leaves are used as green manure. See students, you are seeing animal manure. The domestic animal feces are gathered in a place. You are seeing compost. Decomposition of organic waste in the soil is known as compost. Mention the types of farming. Dairy farm, poultry farms and apiculture are the types of farming. See students, in dairy farm, cows are bred to produce milk. See students, you are seeing poultry farm. In poultry farm, avian species are reared for the purpose of egg, meat or both. Rearing of honey bee for honey is known as apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. In 6th Roman, answer in detail. There are 3 questions. You have to answer any 2. Each question carries 5 marks. How will you manage a poultry farm? Poultry birds need a clean environment. The following measures should be taken in order to avoid diseases. See students, poultry house should be clean. You see this poultry house, students, it is clean and neat. Poultry houses should be clean and disinfected. Poultry house should be disinfected and it should have proper windows for ventilation. It should have windows for ventilation. Light is essential for high egg production. Light is essential for high egg production. Poultry birds needs clean and fresh water. Poultry birds need clean and fresh water. Timely vaccination is necessary to prevent diseases. Vaccination, vaccination. Vaccination is the administration of a vaccine to help the immune system develop protection from a disease. So, timely vaccination is necessary for the poultry birds to prevent diseases. What are the uses of animal products? Cattle are useful to us in a number of ways. Some of them are listed below. We get milk from cows. Cow's milk contains essential minerals needed for us. Cow gives us milk. Cow's milk is rich in calcium. Bullocks are used to pluck land, harvest and thrash crops. See students, you are seeing the picture of bullocks. It is used to pluck the land. Cattle are employed in transportation. See students, in this picture you can see the different kinds of animal used for transportation. Here you can see camel, buffalo, cow, horse, donkey, etc. Cattle dung is used as manure. It is also used as fuel and for generation of biogas. Animal feces is used as manure. This manure is good for the plant's growth. See students, you are seeing the biogas plant. Manure from animal is used as a fuel for biogas. Panchakavya is an Ayurvedic medicine used in agriculture to control pests and fungi. It is a mixture of dung and urine of cows, fresh milk, curd, jaggery and ghee. Panchakavya, an Ayurvedic medicine, is used to control pests and fungi. So, Panchakavya is prepared by mixing cow dung, cow's urine, milk, ghee, curd in correct ratio. It is used to control the pest in the agricultural field. Leather goods are manufactured from cattle hides. Cattle are used to produce leather. Leather goods are manufactured from cattle hides. What are the uses of honeybees? Honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property. It is an antibiotic. It helps in building up hemoglobin content in the blood. Honey increases the hemoglobin content in the blood. Hemoglobin is the red color pigment present in the blood. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani system of medicines. Honey is used in Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a system of traditional medicine native to the Indian subcontinent. Involves use of herbs, therapies and yoga as exercise. Unani medicine is a system of alternative medicine that originated in ancient Greece. It involves the use of herbal remedies and alternative therapies. It prevents cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. Honey cures sore throat. Sore throat is a pain or irritation in the throat that can occur with or without swallowing. It enhances digestion and appetite. It provides essential amino acids required for the growth of the body. Students, for honeybee diagram, you have to draw the diagram and mark the parts. Antenna, head, compound eye, small eye, thorax, wing, abdomen, stinger. Label the diagram of an earthworm. Segments, bristles, saddle, first segment, peristonium, mouth, prostomium, anus, pygidium.
You are seeing the structure of honeybee. Come on students, let us learn the parts of honeybee. This part is known as antenna. A-N-T-E-N-N-A-E, antenna. This part is head. H-E-A-D. So this is compound eye of the honeybee. Compound. C-O-M-P-O-U-N-D. Compound eye. E-Y-E-I. See student, this is small eye of the honeybee. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small eye. E-Y-E-I. Student, these two are the wings of the honeybee. Wing. W-I-N-G. This is the abdomen of the honeybee. Abdomen. A-B-G-O-M-E-N. Abdomen. See student, this part is the stinger of the honeybee. With the help of the stinger only, it stings the predators, those who are attacking the honeybee. Stinger. S-T-I-N-G-E-R. Stinger. So these are the parts of the honeybee. See student, this is structure of earthworm. So this earthworm is having segmented body. See the segment students. So this is head end. This is mouth. This part is known as cerebellum. So this and all segments, and this is tail end. So this earthworm is not having arms, legs, etc. What is the main food for this earthworm? Earthworm mainly feed on organic or animal manure. Thank you students.